कैंसर भी हमारे किसान लोगों को पड़ा है। बीजेपी भगवान सिंह जी प्रधान
प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जिला हाँ, इसके बाद वैक्सीनेशन शुरू करना है। हाँ हाँ, उनका कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी है
अभी बरसात से थोड़ा ये है सिल्क आ जाती है ऊपर डीसेटिंग चैम्बर में सर नेचर में इट वेज मोर देन 30 kg 35 kg जो दूध का अगर मेरा 600 यहाँ से टाइगर ऑफ वाटर
गाइले ऊपर
का फॉर्म है 6 months। साइड होइए ना First I visited one fish pond. We handed over the fish seeds to the farmers under PMMSY scheme. Today, after that, this lumpy scheme, skin disease. We are all aware that now it is in the lumpy skin disease is spreading. In our district, it is in control. In our district, total 1,575 cases are reported. Out of 1,575 cases, 469 cases are recovered already. So the active cases is 1,106 cases only. So that is also now I am happily to share that. So vaccination, our district administration, they took initiative and the vaccination drive is going. How our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is effectively vaccination drive took against the corona COVID-19. Like that, this lumpy skin disease also we are taking care and we are taking as a preventive measures. The vaccination is the only can prevent this disease, and that's why the vaccination drive is going ahead today. We started an vaccination here.